Hi, welcome back to the second episode of the Auto Expo 2020 wrap-up series. In this episode, I shall be talking about the two-wheeler companies that participated at the Auto Expo. And believe it or not, more than 90% of our existing two-wheeler companies did not participate in this Auto Expo. So who were the guys who participated and who were the guys who did not participate? Let me give you details about them.
Among the two-wheelers which marked themselves absent were Indian Motorcycle, Hero MotoCorp, Royal Enfield, TVS, Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India, Bajaj Auto, Yamaha, KTM and Husqvarna, Kawasaki, Harley-Davidson, Ducati, Triumph, Lowy Auto, Revolt Motors. In fact, Revolt Motors had launched the RV400 and we expected them to be there. Ather had launched a 450 earlier, an electric scooter, but they were not there. Benelli, among others. But then who were the ones who participated? Well, it was Suzuki Motors India and a whole host of startups and a few existing players in the electric two-wheeler market. Let me take you through some of the prominent participants at the show. Bird Electric of India announced its association with California-based EV company Bird Rides Incorporated to introduce its flagship Bird Cruiser, a two-wheel ergonomically designed electric vehicle targeting B2B segments in India. Another relatively unknown company in the motoring world, Devote Motors, founded in 2019 and based in Jodhpur in the northern state of Rajasthan, unveiled an EV motorcycle prototype at the show. The company claims that it has experience from an Indian and British design technology and automotive industry. The founders KD Pawar and VD Pawar are motorcycle enthusiasts. While the former is from the automotive industry, the latter is from the IT and design industry, currently based out of the UK. They have one of the world's biggest solar energy plants in Jodhpur. The Devote Motors electric motorcycle design has been copyrighted. The bike has a top speed of 100 km per hour and a range of up to 200 km on a single charge. It has a keyless on and off function. This bike can be charged through an onboard charger for home socket. There is also energy regeneration on braking. EV India unveiled two of its two-wheelers, Tessero and Forseti, at the show. EV India, an electric two-wheeler manufacturing startup, has designed Tessero, an e-bike, and Forseti, a retro e-scooter equipped with super advanced features and high-end technology. The products are scheduled to hit the Indian markets by June 2020. The company displayed a range of electric scooters such as Xenia, 4U, Wind and Your at the show. Pune-based Evolve Motors unveiled its maiden luxury e-scooter EF1. The e-scooter will come with a premium quality battery with a lifespan of 3 to 5 years. With a top speed of 90 km per hour, this e-scooter will provide the rider with a speed range of up to 110 kilometers per hour. The e-scooter will be launched in the last quarter of 2020, the company claimed. Evolet, an electric two-wheeler manufacturing company established as recent as 2019 and headquartered in Gurugram in Haryana near New Delhi in North India, unveiled a slew of electric two-wheelers and three-wheelers. The company unveiled the Hawk electric motorcycle and the Warrior electric ATV. Also on display were the Polo Pony and Derby electric scooters and Dhanno, a moped. Hero Electric showcased an all-new electric motorcycle, an electric trike and an advanced tech-enabled high-speed electric scooter. The electric motorcycle AE47, unveiled by the homegrown electric automaker, is powered by a 4000-watt motor that promises a top speed of 85 km per hour. The electric motorcycle is equipped with a 48-volt, 3.5 kWh lightweight portable lithium-ion battery. With a charging time of 4 hours, it produces a range of 85 km per charge in power mode, 160 km per charge in eco mode, and accelerates from 0 to 60 km per hour in 9 seconds. In the high-speed segment, Hero Electric unveiled a new electric scooter, AE29, with a top speed of 55 km per hour. With a charging time of 4 hours, the new scooter produces a range of 80 km per charge. It is equipped with a 1000-watt motor and 48-volt, 3.5 kWh lithium-ion battery. With its primary application in the B2B segment, Hero Electric Trike AE3, an attractive, innovative, made its debut at the motor show. A first of its kind vehicle, the Trike is equipped with a self-standing gyroscopic stability feature with auto balance spark switch. It can produce a range of 100 km per charge and delivers a speed of 80 km per hour in a full charge of 5 hours. Powered by 5500 watt motor, it is equipped with lithium ion 48 volts 4 kilowatt hour battery. Hero Cycles, a leading global cycle manufacturer, showcased 3 new electric bicycles at the show. Essentia Connect Pedal Ebike, which is basically not a geared bike, has a maximum speed of 25 km per hour and has a 36 volt 250 watt rear hub motor. The strap hanger, on the other hand, comes with the smart E-modes. In the throttle mode, you have the twist and go mode where you can cycle without pedaling. Then you have the pedelec mode where there is a balance of battery assist and pedaling. The strap hanger has a top speed of 25 km per hour and its battery takes 5 hours on charge. On a single charge, one can travel a distance of 60 kilometers. The Easy Step folding bike can be folded with great ease. It's built on an alloy frame, can be folded and has a 7-speed gear. The bike has inbuilt battery and LED display on handlebar and the bike is throttle assisted. The e-cycle can achieve a top speed of 25 km per hour and has a maximum power of 240 watts. On a single charge, this can do around 35 to 40 kilometers and the charging time typically is around 4 hours to 4.5 hours. Nahak, a relatively unknown name in the motoring world, showcased 2 electric sports bikes P14 and RP46. The Nahak Group was established in the year 1992 and is primarily engaged in manufacturing of all types of electric fans in Kolkata. The group also entered into the manufacturing of electric vehicles with products like e-rickshaw, e-rickshaw loader and battery-operated vehicles in Delhi in 2014. The group has manufacturing unit of e-vehicles in the name of Saurya Shario Corporation. Their super sports electric bikes did attract a lot of people at the expo. The bikes are powered by lithium-ion batteries of 2.4 kWh and have a range of 150 to 180 km on a single charge. The top speed is around 120 km per hour. Okinawa Scooters unveiled the prototype Maxi electric scooter Cruiser. The Cruiser is the first of its kind in the electric scooter range in India. It features a 4 kWh lithium-ion detachable battery. The scooter comes with a high-speed charger that offers a charging time of 2 to 3 hours, which is one of its unique features. The scooter achieves a top speed of 100 km per hour and is capable of running over 120 km on a single charge. The company also showcased the Praise Pro and the Ridge Plus electric scooters. The Piaggio Group unveiled a premium scooter Aprilia SXR 160 with a Crossmax design. It will be manufactured at Piaggio's Baramati factory and is slated for commercial launch in Q3 2020. Piaggio also showcased the European version of the Vespa Electrica, which is inspiring its approach towards electric mobility solutions to be designed for India and to be made in India. In addition to these, Piaggio Group also had on display the limited edition Vespa Racing 60s, the Vespa 2020 facelifts, the Vespa Red, Vespa SXL, VXL facelift, the Aprilia SR 160 and the Aprilia Storm 125 with disc brakes. These are all expected to be launched in Q2 2020. Suzuki Motorcycle India really had no surprises at the Auto Expo. It launched the BS6 editions of all the new Access 125, Gixxer series, Bergman Street and Intruder. The company displayed its product portfolio including the entire range of scooters and motorcycles along with BS6 compliant V-Strom 650 XT 2020 edition. Suzuki also displayed the Katana and the Team Suzuki X-Star MotoGP machine, GSX RR for biking enthusiasts.